He's lifting himself and the AC unit at the same time. Absolute madness. This truck basically said, unloading mode activated. Perfect roll every time. I'm not entirely sure what message this person is trying to convey here. Coming up next, in whatever location this happens to be, workplace safety appears to be completely non-existent.
Hey, a la RL no le gusta ese nudo. No.
Dismantling a scaffold in midair. This job is not for the faint-hearted. Here's something clever. By placing a tire at the bottom of this slide, bricks bounce right off and land perfectly into that barrel over there. Check out this robotic arm mounted on the back of a truck. It's placing traffic cones with surgical precision. This remarkable device actually transfers a wood grain pattern directly onto metal posts, making aluminum look like genuine timber. Rather than breaking their backs, these two workers rigged up a rope system that turns their shovel into a makeshift pulley. Someone got incredibly creative here by stuffing a pair of jeans with wet concrete. Once hardened, it becomes a stylish outdoor planter that's equal parts functional and artistic. By attaching a tire to the excavator arm, they've transformed heavy machinery into an oversized street sweeper that clears debris effortlessly. Believe it or not, this entire flooded area is being drained using nothing more than a plastic bottle and the principles of siphoning. Here's a brilliant hack. Instead of struggling with a wrench, they're using a rope wrapped around the tool to generate enough torque for tightening bolts with ease. Before the mortar sets, a simple metal wire gets dragged across the surface, creating a perfectly smooth finish on this wall. By anchoring the drill to a center point, this worker can carve out a flawless circle through the ceiling without any measuring or guesswork. These corroded pipes are getting a complete makeover. Through sanding, cleaning, and a fresh coat of paint applied by specialized equipment, they're restored to pristine condition. putting them in the trash. Someone had the brilliant idea to construct an entire structure using empty glass bottles, turning waste into something genuinely useful. By welding rebar sections onto a pair of pliers, they've engineered a custom tool that grabs multiple bricks in one go, saving countless trips. This crew has street painting down to a science. Their specialized equipment lays down perfect road markings while they work in perfect synchronization. Forget bending down to pick up loose nails one by one. This magnetic device sweeps them all up simultaneously, making cleanup almost effortless. Rather than spreading cement manually on each brick, fully submerging them turns out to be far more efficient and creates better coverage. Moving truck. Several workers are spray painting this highway barrier in unison, covering massive sections in record time. This specially designed attachment grips barrels securely around their rim, allowing safe and stable transport without any risk of dropping. Smoothing wet concrete by hand is exhausting. This vibrating tool does all the work, settling the mixture and creating a glass-like surface finish. Is this the ideal method? Absolutely not. But considering their limited options, it's apparently the best solution they could come up with. Imagine returning to the job site and discovering that your perfectly poured concrete slab now resembles the aftermath of a serious incident. Mounted on this sliding track, a chainsaw glides smoothly along, slicing through logs and producing uniform planks with remarkable consistency. With just the push of a button, this hydraulic machine bends thick rebar like it's made of clay, requiring zero physical effort from the operator. This magnetic assembly line organizes scattered nails into neat rows, prepping them for packaging without anyone having to sort them by hand. This spreading tool makes applying mortar to bricks incredibly simple. Just drag it across and watch as it distributes cement evenly, creating perfect consistency every single time. Content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.